You walk into your living room every single day, and something just feels off. Maybe you can't explain it. Maybe you've redecorated twice. Maybe you've bought new pillows, new curtains, maybe even a whole new couch, and it still doesn't feel right. Here's what nobody tells you. The problem isn't your furniture. The problem isn't your budget. The problem is something much deeper. Once I show it to you, you will never look at a room the same way again. Stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why most living rooms feel empty, uncomfortable, or just wrong, and give you a simple, practical system to fix it. No expensive designer needed. No renovation required. When you scroll Pinterest or Instagram and see a beautiful living room, does it make you feel inspired? Or like your own room is failing you? If it's the second one, you're not alone. Most people decorate their living rooms for an imaginary person. They pick what looks nice, what they saw online, what their neighbor had. But they never once asked, what do I actually need this room to feel like? That's the root of the problem. There are exactly 5 reasons your living room doesn't feel like you. Let's walk through them. Reason number 1, you decorated for looks, not for feeling. Picture this, you buy a beautiful gray sofa, clean lines, very modern, you bring it home. 6 months later, you never sit on it. That gray sofa isn't you. It's a showroom fantasy. The fix. Before you buy anything, answer this. How do I want to feel when I sit in this space? Calm? Energized? Cozy? Every single purchase has to match that feeling. This shift will save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. Reason number 2, your room has no focal point. Walk into any room that feels good. There's always one anchor. Most home living rooms, your eye doesn't know where to go. It bounces around, TV, window, random shelf, blank wall. The fix is simple. Pick one wall or one corner and make it intentional. A large piece of art or a fireplace styled properly. One strong focal point tells your brain, this room is organized. Everything else should point toward that anchor. Reason number 3, the silent killer, scale. This is the one most people miss. You have a huge room with tiny furniture. Wrong scale makes a room feel unfinished. It makes expensive furniture look cheap. It's invisible when it's right, but deafening when it's wrong. In a large room, go big. In a small room, go intentional, not small. Pick 2 or 3 pieces that are the right scale. Reason number 4, there's nothing personal in the room. Most decorated rooms look like a catalog. And it feels sterile, cold. Personality comes from meaningful objects. That old wooden box from your grandmother. A framed photo from your favorite trip. These things cannot be bought as a set. They are the difference between a showroom and a home. Look around your room right now. Can you point to 5 things that tell a story about who you are? If not, that's your homework. Reason number 5, your lighting is completely wrong. Lighting controls mood more than any other element in a room. One bright overhead light makes a room feel like an office or a hospital. But layer your lighting and the room transforms. Go warm white bulbs, around 2,700,000 to 300K. This single change can make your room feel completely different in under an hour. So let's bring it together. Your living room doesn't feel like you because of 5 fixable things. Pick the reason that hit you hardest in this video and fix that one thing this week. Not next month, this week. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the bedroom and entryway breakdown. Drop a comment below. Which was your living room guilty of? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.